Yeah.
How's it going?
It's going good.
How you feeling?
I feel pretty good. It's earlier start for us today because we're first. So yeah, a little bit rushed, but we're all right.
Dr. Death over here.
Okay.
He says he hopes to take care of you.
Yeah. Yeah, you better return the favor when you get hauled there.
It went all right. The track was pretty fast. Not too many bumps yet, and yeah, the shadows were pretty bad in some of the corners. So it's I think it's going to be better this time. We made a bike change. I'm still struggling with the balance of the bike, and we're trying to address that. So this track with all the hills and with all the corners, a lot of them are off camber. So yeah, being off balance in those corners is really tough. So we're trying to address that, and I need to go faster. Made a good change. Had a productive session that time, and yeah, it's a good foundation to build off of. So yeah, I'm gonna go out, get a good start, and do the best I can, and one thing at a time. So yeah, it's one step at a time. One step at a time.
Joy, how do you feel?
One step at a time. One step. I don't have comments yet.
Yeah.
No comment yet?
No comment yet.
Any last words?
Oh, really?
Also eventful.
Very talkative.
I'm focused today.
He's locked in.
Yeah.
He is locked in. It's all up here today.
It's all up here?
Mm-hmm.
Right there.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank
Your
you.
food, sir.
I'm struggling.
Why?
I'm full.
What are you eating on race day, bro?
Protein, carbs, fat.
Simple as that. If you eat that, you'll go as fast as Shane. Or
When he
faster.
goes fast. Hey! Hey! Dr. G! Hey! Me too! Yeah!
Shane.
Chain.
Bro, something's falling from the sky.
Shane.
What is it?
Spaghetti and meatballs.
I mean, what's going on? Walk me through it, weatherman.
It's looking grim, I think would be it. But it's like down there, you can tell it's raining. Not the water hose, but like beyond the water hose. Yeah.
Lately I can decide on the high, going when I do. I'm sure I'll end up moving to a suit and tie, celebrate, laugh or cry. What's I gotta do when nothing's standing still for you? So many angles, so many
I had a good start that time, which is good for my confidence, and just, yeah, it's good that I got a good start. I want to do that again and go as fast as I can again. Definitely struggling. We made another little change, trying to help it go through the bumps a little better, and yeah, we'll just keep trying. That's I mean, first moto, I'm really happy with my effort. That's just what it was, so I tried.
I don't know quite what to do. Time will show what we know is hardly ever true. I'd rather have than never have the spinning wrong, the feeling that I moved. No more standing still at your will, but you can try until you see the motions moving you. Cause everything moves, everything pulses, everything lies in the eyes of you. Everything moves, everything pulses, everything lies in the eyes of you. 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 Eyes of you, in the eyes of you, in the eyes of you, in the eyes of you.
I felt like today was the first time we made some changes that went in a positive direction. Definitely not traditional changes. The way my bike is set up right now is not conventional or traditional. So yeah, we're having to throw things at it to try things, and yeah, I'm happy with my effort today. All things considered, it's we still got a lot of work to do, but I tried my best today, and yeah, I felt like we did the best we could, and my starts were solid. That's what I'm pumped on, and yeah, I'm just gonna get back to work and keep working. That's my job. That's what I'm excited about, is just to press on.
Any last words?
I'm tired.
What are you eating?
Raisin cane.
What'd you order?
I got chicken tendies.
How many?
Enough to recover.
Joey, how many did Shane order?
6.
I think that makes him a caniac.
I mean, you act like I eat a lot. It's like,
I'm just saying, it's the biggest, well,
I mean, maybe the viewers don't know it's the biggest order. I didn't know it was. I mean, 6 doesn't sound crazy, but I guess they're big or something.
yeah, and a bunch of fries and a bunch of toast and a bunch of sauce and a bunch of toast. All right, bro.
what are you even
He
saying?
earned it.
He did earn it. Let it, bro. It's all right, bro. I'm sorry.
I don't understand.